I'll be showing the Share to Teams feature. This allows an educator to easily share content directly into a Microsoft class team as an assignment or just into the channel. And I'll be showing Flipgrid, Kahoot, Wakelet, Nearpod, and Buncee. And then I'll show some nice Educator Center Teams app sites at the end and how any EdTech app can get started with this. Now first off, I'm an educator in Teams here, and let's say I'm going to one of my favorite apps, Flipgrid. And I have a Flipgrid topic, and I'd like to make an assignment. So in my Flipgrid dashboard as an educator, I'm signed in, and I'm going to go and click the Share button right here. And I have a chance to share to a couple different places, and right in the middle is Teams, and I'll click this. Here's the Share to Teams dialog, and you can see I can share to a channel or create an assignment. And we'll say create an assignment. Choose my class, I'll choose philosophy, we'll give it a title. Flipgrid assignment, I'll give it instructions. Now let's say I'm going to make this 10 points, and the due date is going to be on Friday, and now I'm ready to assign. I'll click the Assign button here. My assignment's been created, I'll close this. Now let's go into Teams and see what that looks like. I'm in Teams, and I'll drill into my philosophy class. And you can see the assignment just popped up, a little notification at the bottom, and I'm going to click Assignments right here. You can see my Flipgrid assignment is right here in the list. If I open it up, everyone has the assignment. I have the ability to grade them when they get turned in. So super fast, and right inside of Flipgrid, straight to Teams. Next up, we'll go to Kahoot and see what this looks like in the Kahoot app. Here I am signed into my Kahoot as an educator with my dashboard. In the upper right, I'm going to go into one of my Kahoots, and I'm going to go click this little Share Kahoot button right here. And there's a bunch of options to share this. I'm going to click the Teams icon, and you see a very similar type of dialog. I can share to a channel. Again, maybe I'll create an assignment. I'll choose the class. It's very similar, and I'll just give it to the Kahoot assignment, and we'll make this one worth 50 points, and I'll assign that off. So it's very similar. You're just accessing this in a different part inside of Kahoot. And if I go back into my class team for philosophy, there's the assignment, and it popped up. And if I just refresh my assignments page here, there's my Kahoot assignment. Now I'll also go into Wakelet. In this one, I'm going to show what it looks like for a channel. Here I am in Wakelet, and Wakelet is one of my very favorite apps. Let's say I want to have a Wakelet that I want to put directly into a channel in Teams. So I'll open this. Now up at the top here, I'll click the Share button. And lots of choices, just like before. I'm going to click Teams. Now in this case, I'll just say share to a channel. I'll leave it, but I have to search for a team. And I'm going to do my philosophy class, metaphysics, and I'll just click Share. My link's been shared. Now if I go back into my team and I go to the metaphysics channel, you'll see there's a Wakelet right there. It's ready to go, and it was shared by the educator. Next up, Nearpod. Now I'm signed in as an educator to my Nearpod dashboard, and here is the Nearpod lessons right here, and I'm going to launch a live participation of John Locke. And before it starts, I get this Nearpod join code and share dialog, and on the right hand side there's Microsoft Teams. I'll click that. Same dialog as before. I'll create an assignment. Again, I'll make it philosophy. We'll give it a Nearpod lesson. This will be 100 points, and we'll hit assign. And just like before, that goes right into Teams. The last one I'll show is Buncee and show how you can share a Buncee with Microsoft Teams. Here I am in Buncee, signed into the educator dashboard. Now I'm going to open up one of the Buncees I've created, math problem. Now in the upper right, there's a share button, and I'll click that. And now I'm going to click on social right here. And there's a bunch of choices to share it to, and I'll choose Teams, just like before. And we'll share it to a channel. And again, we'll do the philosophy class, and we'll put it into the logic channel, and I'll hit share. And just like that, my Buncee is shared with the class. Now, if you're looking for all of the different apps that work with Teams for Education, we have this new educator page that we just launched in the Educator Center. The link is below in this video, and there's all sorts of great information. If I want to drill in on content creation, there's some quick tip videos and lots of examples, Nearpod, Buncee, Prezi, Squiggle. And you can drill in and look at all of the different tools that integrate with Teams for Education and all of these apps. So this is a great new site to explore and find out all of the integration that we already have with Microsoft Teams for Education, and we're always adding more. The other site, if you're an EdTech app and you want to integrate your own Share to Teams button, it's only about 20 or 30 lines of code. It can be done in a day, and then you have access to the wide and growing array of Teams for Education users all across the planet. So this page right here, and the link is right on the video. Go here and you can integrate your own Share to Teams button yourself. If you found this video useful, give it a like. Now, if you want to keep up with all the latest quick tip videos that I'll keep releasing, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get notified for all the new videos that post.